All of these customers in multiple retail sectors, in multiple geographic locations, all shared the common challenge: to reduce costs, to become more efficient, to raise sales, and to improve the customer experience. They were all somehow managing their in-store communications to their clients and also to their websites, but usually this was done, when you looked at the processes, with multiple systems, leading to duplication and an inability to rapidly react to market needs. The solution they implemented provides many benefits. No longer are there long lead times in the creation of promotions which cannot be executed as frequently or as quickly as required, or in some cases do not get executed at all in the stores. No longer is the creation and delivery of signage a highly manual operation involving too much labour and consequently too much cost. No longer do modifications involve very expensive information technology changes. Now it is a quick and simple exercise. No longer does there need to be duplication across communication channels, paper signage, digital signage, website, TV displays, kiosks, as they can all be managed in one place, thus removing branding inconsistencies, pricing errors, and confused customers. No longer is there a massive amount of wastage if the signage system is integrated with the inventory system, so that signage is only sent to stores for items that are stocked, therefore reducing costs and the carbon footprint. No longer is too much time and effort spent putting up and taking down signs if the signage system is integrated with the store layout or planogram, because batches of signs can be printed in store walk order. This provides a substantial efficiency improvement for the in-store staff, who can now be more focused on communication with the customer. And no longer are deploying new initiatives difficult and frustrating for marketing, requiring long lead times, as now promotional activities can be simple and quick to execute. Rather than simply a technology, the solution had to recognize important requirements. Retailers wanted to use existing systems, as these already had substantial investment, and they wanted to use existing data. They wanted to use existing mobile devices. They wanted to be international, such that systems can be deployed in multiple languages without any programming effort. They wanted the systems to be out of the box, configurable for their specific needs, scalable, and to be able to drive the most relevant paper signs, multimedia, kiosks and electronic signage, and not be limited to a specific technology format. They wanted to ensure that in-store operations were efficient and effective in terms of updating marketing promotions and managing point-of-sale and shelf-edge labels. And they wanted effective replacement methods, using mobile devices when signs went missing or were damaged. Using the well-established Episys Retail Enterprise Suite integrated communication solution, retailers are able to achieve their objectives. With an integrated signage system in place, retailers have the foundation to incorporate other media as they strive to provide more compelling promotions for customers. Large format promotional signs, typically done manually by the marketing department and printed externally with no automatic tracking of price changes or store inventory, can now be incorporated into the signage system. The use of electronic signage displays, whether it's shelf-edge labels, kiosks or multimedia TV displays, provide many benefits. The paper label process, which can be late, wrong and difficult to control, is eliminated. There are no printing costs. The signs don't get soggy, ripped or destroyed. Compared to managing paper-based labelling, there are minimal staff costs, as there is no putting up and taking down signs, or a need to monitor that signage has been changed at the right time, or that promotions have been properly executed. Without the management of all the store's communication channels in one place, there is no synchronization between the different media. For example, the content of the TV displays is not linked to the electronic shelf-edge labels or paper signs, which can result in product inconsistencies, including pricing errors. The advantage of the Episys solution is that Retail Enterprise Suite allows you to drive to the most appropriate digital devices, but also link them to your paper communication, your website and your multimedia. The development of Episys Retail Enterprise Suite is driven by the company's customers. Valuable feedback is obtained from the specific client conventions Episys runs worldwide, which provide a unique opportunity for customers to network with potential customers, as well as a number of our complementary technology partners, and hear about the latest innovations in retail solutions and the benefits our clients have achieved, so you can assess their applicability for your own business. An example is the collaboration with Lexmark to embed Retail Enterprise Suite printing modules in their range of multi-function printers, MFPs. This allows the store to print signage without the need of a PC by using the touchscreen panel on the MFP. Also, the printer can be situated in the store at an appropriate location, such as the customer service desk, so that store associates do not have to leave the shop floor to print signage. Signage can be directed to the MFP printer, either by the regular head office print runs, or it can be ad hoc and driven by store associates scanning product barcodes in store with a handheld terminal. To print signage using the MFP, you touch the Retail Enterprise Suite icon on the printer panel. Log in with your username, after which you can view the batches of signage waiting to be printed. You can then select the required batch, and this will be immediately printed. Too often, suppliers and clients don't see themselves as on the same team. Clearly, this is fundamentally wrong, as the successful outcome of a project should always be a common goal for supplier and client. We look forward to assessing with you your current challenges and openly assessing the areas we can deliver tangible benefits to you.